TimeCard categories are useful if a firm needs to group time entries for reporting purposes. This feature enables users to report and track their time for the assigned tasks. To set it up, head under Time, Settings, and the TimeCard Categories tab. The label field allows you to customize the label to suit your business needs so that you can change the label of TimeCard categories into anything else that you wish for it to appear as in the system. And then you can create a new TimeCard category from here. Click on the name field to set a name for your TimeCard category and a description. And click Save, and your TimeCard category field should now appear in the time entry screen. So here we go, TimeCard category, and we have the one that we just created. Now when it comes to using this for reports, you're going to want to click on Reports and click on the Time Entries report, and make sure that you select the report output format as CSV. That is the only way currently to view TimeCard categories in reports. That is to export it as a CSV file.